So you want to make your ex miss you. Well, you've clicked on the right video because I'm going to cover the most scientifically validated method of getting him or her to miss you like crazy. How's it going, everyone? I am Brad Browning, relationship and marriage coach. And today I'm going to tell you exactly how to make your ex miss you and, over time, want you back. Now, I'm going to start off by saying that some of the tactics that I use here are going to sound a little controversial and manipulative, but they work like a charm. So please keep watching if you want to learn these powerful and strange techniques. Okay, so the first concept that you need to understand when trying to make your ex miss you is space. In order for your ex to have those yearning feelings for you, you need to allow them space to miss you. So let me explain by using a weird analogy. So think about your smartphone, for example, because nowadays, everyone is addicted to their mobile device, but you don't usually miss your phone because it's always around you, and you take it literally everywhere you go. But say you accidentally left your phone at home for a few hours. How would that make you feel? Probably pretty naked, right? You'd probably be wondering who's been messaging you or what you've missed on social media. In other words, you'd probably miss your phone like crazy, and you'd be itching to check it as soon as you got back home, right? And on top of that, your phone is valuable. You can't simply go out and buy a brand new phone whenever you wanted, because otherwise you'd go broke. So your phone has a ton of real value associated with it. But now you're probably wondering, how you can create this sort of desire inside your ex. How can you make them view you as that lost smartphone that they want back so dearly? Well, there's several components to making this happen. Obviously, giving your ex space is a crucial part of it. But what else can you actively do to make your ex miss you? Well, here's a list of how you can do this. Number one, use my operative no contact tactic. You've heard me talk about no contact before, but I've since evolved this concept a bit because you see, the most successful clients that I have don't just simply engage in no contact. They also use periphery tactics outside of no contact that increase their chances of getting back together with their ex. So for example, they don't spend their time wallowing in sorrow about how they miss their ex. No, instead they date around and they focus on passions that they've lost during the relationship, and they generally try to better their lives as much as possible. Basically, they try and become the best version of themselves during this period of operative no contact. Remember, your ex isn't going to want to get back together with somebody who doesn't have any value. Think about your phone, for example. Would you buy a phone that didn't have internet connectivity or the ability to retrieve data, or that didn't have 4G speeds? I think you get the picture here. So within this time, try and improve every single facet of your life. Be mindful of your health, your fitness, your social life, your family, even your job and your schooling. Human beings are biologically designed to be attracted to people who are at the top of their dominance hierarchies, and your ex is absolutely no exception. And once your ex gets wind that you're becoming the 2.0 version of yourself, I guarantee that they'll begin thinking about you in ways that they never thought about you before. Now, the second thing you can do is to leverage social media to your advantage. So during operative no contact, you shouldn't be communicating with your ex at all, at least not directly. So if you still have your ex on social media, you can still sub-communicate to them how your life is doing. So, don't be afraid to subtly show off what you've been up to. Post some photos from your trip to the Rockies. Document the time that you went axe throwing with a bunch of friends. And do whatever you need to do to show how much better you're becoming. Try and become that new iPhone 12 and avoid looking like an old iPhone 3G. Again, I want to stress this, subtlety is key here. If it seems like you're really just trying to show off to the world, it can actually make you look worse. So use a bit of your own discretion and make sure you don't come across as over the top. But if you do get this right, and your ex sees you becoming a new and improved person, don't be surprised if he or she comes running back to you, telling you how much they've missed you. Now, number three is to use some of my covert jealousy tactics. Now, again, if you aren't comfortable with trying to make your ex jealous, then, fair enough. But I'd be lying to you if I said that this didn't work. In fact, it's maybe one of the most powerful tools at your disposal to make your ex miss you like crazy. So let's use the phone analogy again for a second. Imagine someone stole your phone and was using it for themselves. How would that make you feel? In fact, how does it make you feel when someone just picks up your phone to use it? It probably makes you feel a little bit violated, especially if they start reading through your text messages or looking at all your photos. Now imagine that someone stole your girlfriend or boyfriend. You'd probably feel, incensed, right? And this is the type of feeling that you need to instill in your ex's brain. And you can do this by using my covert jealousy tactics. Now, for the purposes of this video, I'm only going to go through one example of covert jealousy. But if you want to learn my complete system and all of my different techniques, then head over to breakupbrad.com and watch my full free video guide, because it'll show you exactly what you need to do to make sure your ex comes back to you. So head over to breakupbrad.com and watch that video right after this one is over. Now, one of the things you can do is use my patented loudmouth friend technique. So here's how it goes. Set up a date with someone from Tinder or wherever, and make sure it's something that a group can do. Next, invite a mutual friend that you share with your ex, but make sure that this friend is truly neutral between you and your ex. That means, don't invite your ex's best friend or a really close friend. Invite someone who's truly impartial. And it does help if this person is a total loudmouth. Now, during your meetup with your friend and your date, make sure that you do your best to flirt with your date. If you play your cards right, your friend will be dying to blab to your ex about what just happened. And you'll plant that feeling of loss inside your ex's mind. And sometimes doing this alone will be good enough to make your ex miss you and take you back. Give it a shot and let me know how it goes in the comments section below. And number 4, now this tip might seem a little difficult, but if you can pull it off, it works wonders. Similarly to step number 3, you're going to want to set up a group activity. Now, assumingly you and your ex probably shared a bunch of friends, so what you need to do is set up a group activity with them and make sure that your ex gets invited as well. Now, during this date, you need to convey to everyone and to your ex that you're happy, that your life is totally in order, and that you're a total catch. Don't be afraid to be a little flirty with people of the opposite sex around your ex as well. Generally speaking, you just want to show your ex that you're living a vibrant, upbeat, and fun life without them. Now, this next tactic is a bit risky, but if you execute it well, your ex will be fawning over you. Mark my words on that one. And that is number 5, get a makeover. So that means hitting the gym, eating right, and making sure that you revamp that old wardrobe of yours. Of course, looking amazing alone won't get your ex to miss you, but it can definitely help. So again, while you're in the operative no contact period, try making fitness one of your main priorities. Not only are you going to look better, you're going to feel better too. And once your ex gets wind of your new swag and your new body, he or she is going to be forced to feel that kind of primal attraction for you. All right, folks, that just about does it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section below. And please check out my how-to video guide on my complete system to get your ex back. The URL where you can watch that video is breakupbrad.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.